friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how you can uninstall iPhone and iPad apps on M1 Mac. If you have an M1 Mac, you can download and install iOS and iPad OS apps from the Mac App Store, thanks to the common architecture between the Mac OS and iOS systems. But have you ever wondered how to properly uninstall the iPhone and iPad apps on your M1 Mac? Well, you are not alone to have found yourself in such a situation, as a large number of macOS users are searching for a way to get rid of apps installed on the Apple Silicon-based Mac. When users try to drag the app icon to the trash in the usual way, the app binary gets deleted. However, much of the app's related content remains on the disk, usually in the library containers folder, needlessly taking up a ton of storage. Fortunately, there is a pretty reliable way to ensure all of the data associated with an iOS or iPad OS app is removed when you uninstall it. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, launch Applications folder on your Mac and then drag the app that you want to uninstall into the trash. Now launch Terminal app, which you can find using Spotlight. At the terminal window prompt, input this command and hit enter. Next, input this command and replace app name with the name of the app you just dragged to the trash. This command should output any matches found typically in the form of obscured directory names. Next, input this command but replace the XXX with the obscured directory name shown in the previous output and then hit enter. It's worth pointing out that if several directories are shown in the output, repeat the previous step for each directory. That's all there is to it. The iOS app or iPad OS app and all data associated with it should now be deleted from your Mac. Now that you know how this hack works, make the most of it to get rid of all the unwanted iPhone or iPad apps from your M1 Mac. If you found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.